Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Here is a bulk.com box that I got. It's supposed to have a number of items in here and they're supposed to be brand new. Each item averages out to be about just shy of $13 an item. So we're going to see if we can make some profit. Make sure you stay tuned to the very end because we'll be pricing each and every item, making it all available on hookedonpickin.com. If you are a Poshmark user, you can also look for the items there as well. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. All right, let's see what's inside. We have shoes. Lots of shoes. I love seeing shoes in boxes. That's always awesome. All right, I'm going to move this whole box over. So now we're going to have a display section here. It says Eastland, eastlandshoe.com.
Definitely looks new.
Yeah, sure does. So we've got kind of looks like a black work shoe kind of almost. So Eastland shoe looks like it is called a plain view. It's a US size, women's wide size 7. Women's wide size 7.
It does look like almost a work shoe. It's not steel toe.
No,
but
these
like
are cute though.
Particular black shoe you have to wear like a post office or.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
They're size 7, and both of them are size 7.
It's always good.
Yep.
Definitely always have to check.
You always have to check.
How many times have we gotten shoes different sizes?
Too many times to count.
Yeah.
So always check to make sure they're the same size. Okay, so then we've got Jelly Pop, Los Angeles, California. Ooh, those are cool. For your wild side. All right. We have got some size 7.5 medium Dallas textile upper shoes is what they're called. Jelly Pop. So they're 7.5. M is basically your typical width. It's not a wide width. It's not a narrow width. It's your typical normal average width. So those are a women's size 7.5. Ooh, we got another one like that. Ooh, here's another crazy one.
Those are cool looking shoes.
They are cool looking shoes.
Our daughter would like these kind of shoes.
Oh, our daughter Lexi would wear these for sure. These are also a 7.5 regular size.
Are they just supposed to be slip-on?
Yeah. They're not meant to be tied.
Okay.
Those are
cool.
kind of snakeskin tie-dye.
7.5 again?
7.5 again, yep. All right, so far we've got some really, really nice shoes.
They all been 7.5?
No, this one's a 7. This one's a 7 wide.
Okay.
And this one's 7.5, and this one's 7.5. Okay. Era, I thought it said Era Pastel. No, that's Aerosoles. I can't read. Ooh, this one's packaged pretty. Ooh, look at those.
Are those a ballet slipper?
It's a flat. Ladies dress flat. These are size 8.5, European 6.5, 8.5, Aerosoles. Boy, they do have a soft cushion in them. So these are 8.5 ladies flats.
Cool.
All right.
What do we pay for these shoes again?
These are $13 a piece, so I really hope that we can charge more than $13 a piece. So we'll have to look them up. We're going to do all the pricing at the very end. So we'll look them up and then show you the prices. It says Dolce Vita. Ooh, some more wild ones. Leopard print. Nice boot or booty they call them. These are size what? I'm going to look. They are a size 7 in women's slip-on boot. But that smells good. That smells like real leather. I think those might be real leather. Because they smell like real leather. There's the other one. Yeah. I think these might be real leather. Like a suede leather. They sure feel like it. So, leopard print. Nice boots. These are a size 7. Is that what I said? 7? Yeah, size 7.
A lot of size 7, 7.5.
That's actually a pretty decent size. I know sometimes it's really hard to find like the 9s and the 10s, but they're also a lot harder to sell. Size 7 is a traditional, size 7 to kind of to size 9 is your traditional women's shoe size.
What do they say, 6 to 8?
Yeah, something like that. I wear 8.5. My daughter Lexi, who is my height, wears a 7.5. My daughter Faith actually wears a 7 now, which is crazy. So, woo, look at those sparkly ones. Now that is definitely a larger size.
Wow.
Yeah, that's very sparkly, isn't it? So, look at both shoes. Yep. So this one is a 12. It's a women's 12. You don't often see that size. So my guess is this will probably sell fairly quickly just because it's such a unique size. A women's size 12. J. Renee. That is a pump there. Look at the sparkle on that.
Yeah.
Kind of almost looks like it's got ruching on it, like fabric.
Yeah.
So it's called a pewter glitter, size 12.
Cool.
That is cool. All right, what else we got? These are not shoes.
What is that?
It's a crossbody bag, but it's clear. It looks like a purse, but it's clear. What symbol is that? Is that a college symbol?
What is that, NCAA something or other? I don't know.
What does it say on the tag? Crossbody green.
Yeah, I don't know.
But it comes with the, if you flip it over, it comes with the
what that tag is. It is a
Capri Designs.
Yeah.
And then look. So it's a purse because it has the long strap.
Yeah.
But I don't know that I would want a clear purse.
I don't know. Don't know.
Maybe a makeup bag where you can see everything but easy to carry. So I thought this whole box was shoes. I did not realize that we were also going to get bags in it. Like here's something else.
Another purse?
Sanders hand pewter. No, this is not a purse. Looks like a towel. I really hope I didn't pay $13 for a towel.
Well, we paid $13 per item, so
Yeah. Yeah, it's a hand towel.
that's a $13 towel.
This is a Ralph Lauren towel.
Bam, it's a $1,000 towel.
It retails at $24 though.
There you go.
It's a fancy towel. It is very soft.
Best towel.
It's the best towel you'll ever
unboxed.
have. Look, I even have 2, so now you have a set. Woohoo! Really hope we make our money back on the 2s. Oh, here's a Champion something. Authentic athletic wear. Okay, let's see what we have. Champion is good. Is this a hoodie?
Check the size too.
This is a size. Originally $50 is a medium black pullover hoodie.
Okay. Medium's not bad.
No. Champion. That's originally $50. So.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Let's lay that there. All right. What else we got in here? Ooh. Some white pants. Brave people wear white pants. There's a lady in our church that wears white pants, and I tell you what, she can pull it off. She can pull it off, and she never seems to ever get them dirty. I don't know how she manages that, but she does it. Ruby red. No, wrong color. These are white. Ooh, these look like a larger size. These are 22W. They're actually really nice and stretchy, comfy, classic, ruby red 22W women's pants.
Bam.
There you go. They actually look really nice. They're kind of a denim, they feel like a denim material almost, but they look like a dress pant. See the threading in them?
Yeah,
but they feel like you probably could wear these to work, but feel like you're wearing jeans. So I love pants like that because I hate dress pants. I'm not a fan of wearing actual dress pants.
More shoes, yay!
More shoes. All right, let me move this box over.
We need those shoes to be $100 per.
$100 shoes. All right. Beautiful, isn't it? Sorry. Skechers, it says. Oh, some black slip-ons. These are very usable. Just, they go with anything. These are some just slip-on Skechers. Let's see what size they are. I'm trying to find the size. I don't see the size. Maybe in the tongue. Oh, here's the tag. They have a little squishy thing. Air cooled. Oh, it's trying to say, so the bottom of the shoe is squishy like this.
Cool.
All right, what size are these? They're performance style. I cannot find a size anywhere.
You gotta be there somewhere. They're inside, right there. Look on the side.
Oh, thank you. Size 8. Size 8.
Size 8. Okay.
Yes. Boy, I cannot find the size on that. I looked everywhere but the side. All right, so there's those. Okay, one more box of shoes in there.
All right, let's hope these are the $100 pair of shoes.
They're from New York, so everything's $100 in New York.
Yep, that's true.
Even a coffee, I think. Maybe. Ooh, these are cool. Look at those. Steven, New York. Let's see what size they are. See if it tells me. Yep, hold on. 7.5 leather. So they are leather shoes. Boy, they are nice and soft. They got a little bit of a heel on them. So I know it doesn't look like a heel but your foot actually goes all the way up almost to this spot. So they're shoes with lifts in them.
Oh, neat.
Yeah. So it's wearing a heel but looks like a flat. So if you're short, these are like ninja shoes to make it like 2 inch. It's an actual 2-inch heel inside here, and so that's really cool. Steven, New York. So these are very deceptive shoes, but really cool. So awesome. So we have got all these shoes. We're going to go ahead and price them, see if we can make some money on them, and then also we'll price them reasonably so that you guys can purchase them as well. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, we've got everything priced. So you'll be able to find all these right directly on hookedonpickin.com, okay? So we have got these Skechers Ultra Go shoes, size 8, $29.99. Then we have the Steven, New York black. These are the kind of deceptive heels. 7.5 is the size, $39.99, and they are Steve Madden ones. Then we have the sparkly size 12, $29.99, J. Renee pump. And then we also have the leopard print boot, $39.99, size 7, and that is a Dolce Vita one, really cute. Then we also have this flat, this nice ballet flat, 8.5 wide is the size, $39.99 for that really nice flat. Then our fun, funky kind of canvas shoes, both of them are 7.5, and they're both $19.99. You've got the brown and then the tie-dye colored one. Then we have our clear purse, which we figured out was the South Florida Bulls symbol. And so that's going to be $24.99 for that cute clear crossbody purse. And then we have the kitchen. These are going to go in our kitchen and home box. So they're nice microfiber hand towels will go into the kitchen and home boxes. Then we have, going to Amazon, we have the Eastland black shoe, which is $60. We're going to send that to Amazon. And then we have the size 22W white pants, $25 after fees is what we'll make on Amazon for those. And then we have the size medium champion hoodie, $25 on Amazon is what we'll make after fees there. So we're actually going to sell all of those items for higher than that price, the ones that are going to Amazon. but after fees, that's what we expect to make. And so when we add all of that up, it comes to $355. It costs us about $167 for this box. And so we're going to make a total profit of $188 for all of these items. So you'll be able to find all of the things on this table on hookedonpickin.com. So just go right there, snatch it up real fast, and then the other items we'll be sending to Amazon. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing. Hopefully you have fun and you found something you wanted, and you'll run off to hookedonpickin.com to get it. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have not gotten any of our 24 flavors of popcorn made by a gourmet chef right here in the United States, check out Bell's Gourmet Popcorn right on hookedonpickin.com. You can get them at a really nice discount, and we have a variety of every flavor that you could possibly like. We also have Candy Club, which has some really unique, fun candy jars, as well as some other fun candy items. So if you haven't seen any of our food items on hookedonpickin.com, make sure you run over there and check them out.